If you're considering InvisibleVPN, you probably want to know if it's the right fit for you compared to other popular VPNs out there. Here's a quick breakdown of what you need to know before making a decision. Stick with me till the end to see if this VPN is really worth your investment. First thing to consider, InvisibleVPN is known for its fast speeds, but how does it compare to others like ExpressVPN and NordVPN? It's fast, yes, but in speed tests, it often falls short compared to the big names in the industry. If blazing speeds are your priority, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you're okay with minor speed dips, it's still a solid option. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. InvisibleVPN tends to be on the cheaper side, which is great for those on a budget. However, this lower price point might explain why it doesn't have as many features as other premium VPNs. You won't get the same range of servers, features, or customer support as you would from Price Your Services, but for the cost, it's still competitive. The third thing you should know is about its server locations. InvisibleVPN has a decent selection, but compared to industry leaders, it's lacking. Services like NordVPN and CyberGhost have servers in dozens more countries, giving you more options for bypassing geo restrictions. The fourth thing to consider is security. InvisibleVPN offers strong encryption, but it doesn't have all the advanced security features that you might find in other VPNs. While it protects your data from hackers, it's not as robust in terms of features like split tunneling or double VPN options, which other services offer. The fifth thing is privacy. InvisibleVPN has a no logs policy, which is a plus, but there have been mixed reports about how transparent they are with their policies. If you're looking for a VPN with a proven track record of protecting your privacy, it's worth looking into the specifics of InvisibleVPN's policy and any third-party audits. Next thing, InvisibleVPN does have a kill switch, which is essential for protecting your connection if the VPN fails. However, some users report occasional connectivity issues with the kill switch, which could leave you exposed if it fails. This is something to be mindful of if you're using the VPN for sensitive tasks. The seventh thing is customer support. InvisibleVPN offers 24/7 support, but it's not the fastest compared to competitors like ExpressVPN, which has a reputation for quicker response times. If you need help right away, expect to wait a bit longer than with the top-tier VPN services. The eighth thing is streaming. InvisibleVPN can unblock some content from popular streaming services like Netflix, but it's not guaranteed to work with all regions or services. If unblocking streaming content is a deal breaker for you, it may be worth considering other VPNs that have a more consistent track record with streaming. The ninth thing is the number of devices you can use at once. With InvisibleVPN, you can connect up to 5 devices simultaneously, which is decent but not exceptional. Other VPNs, like Surfshark, allow unlimited connections, making them a better choice for larger households or businesses. The 10th thing to know is how easy the app is to use. InvisibleVPN has a simple interface that makes it accessible for beginners. However, compared to more polished VPN apps, it can feel a bit outdated. While it's functional, it's not as sleek or intuitive as some competitors. The 11th thing is its compatibility. InvisibleVPN works on all major platforms, but there are occasional reports of issues with certain devices like smart TVs or routers. If you plan to use it on these devices, it's worth checking compatibility beforehand. Finally, while InvisibleVPN is a solid choice for basic users looking for a budget-friendly option, it's not the best pick for power users who need advanced features or maximum speeds. If you're looking for a more feature-packed, faster, or higher-performing option, it may be worth exploring alternatives. InvisibleVPN is a good option if you're on a budget, but if you want a better solution with faster speeds, more features, and better privacy policies, we recommend checking out our top-rated VPN provider. You can try it for free and see if it fits your needs better.